The universe is 13.8 billion years old. But how do we actually know that? How old is the universe? At first, this question may seem simple, almost trivial. But in reality, it is one of the deepest questions humanity has ever asked. Every person who has looked up at the night sky, wondering about the stars, has faced the same mystery. When did all of this begin? Today, scientists have an astonishingly precise answer. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. But this number is far more than just a piece of trivia. It is the foundation of modern cosmology. It determines when galaxies formed, how stars evolved, how our solar system came to be, and even how the universe might end. If this number were wrong, our entire understanding of the cosmos would collapse. So, how did we discover it? How can science determine the age of something as vast and complex as the universe? Let's take a journey through the evidence and uncover how this cosmic mystery was solved. Knowing the age of the universe is not just about satisfying curiosity. It gives us the frame that every cosmic event fits into. The formation of galaxies, the emergence of chemical elements, the birth of the sun, the timeline of Earth. All of it depends on how long the universe has existed. If the age were different, the sequence of cosmic history would break apart. To determine this age, scientists combined three major lines of evidence. The first is the expansion of the universe. By observing the light from distant galaxies, we see that the universe is expanding, and expanding at a measurable rate. The light from faraway galaxies is stretched, a phenomenon known as redshift. By measuring how quickly these galaxies move away from us, we learn how fast the universe is expanding today. If we rewind this expansion backwards, we eventually reach a moment when all matter, all energy, and even space itself were compressed into a single extremely hot and dense state. That moment marks the birth of the universe. But this method alone is not precise enough, so scientists needed more. The second line of evidence is far more powerful: the cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang. About 380,000 years after the universe began, it cooled enough for light to finally travel freely. That ancient light is still reaching us today, filling the universe with a faint microwave glow. Telescopes like WMAP and the Planck satellite measured tiny variations in this light, variations only millionths of a degree in size. And hidden in these patterns is the entire early structure of the universe, its density, its composition, and, crucially, its age. The result of these measurements is stunningly precise: 13.80 billion years, with only a tiny margin of uncertainty. The third line of evidence comes from distant supernovae, exploding stars that act like cosmic lighthouses. Because these supernovae shine with a known brightness, we can determine their distance very accurately. By comparing their distance with the rate of cosmic expansion at different moments in history, we learn how the expansion of the universe has changed over time. These observations revealed something extraordinary. The universe is not just expanding, it is accelerating. This discovery led to the concept of dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up most of the universe today. And understanding this acceleration helps refine the estimate of the universe's true age. Combined, these three clues create a consistent and powerful picture. The universe began 13.8 billion years ago. But to truly understand what this means, we need to look at the timeline of cosmic history. In the very beginning, the universe was unimaginably hot and dense. Then, in less than a second, it expanded rapidly, a process known as cosmic inflation. After 380,000 years, the first atoms formed and light was released into the cosmos, creating the cosmic microwave background radiation we observe today. About 200 million years later, the first stars ignited, ending the cosmic dark ages. After about 1 billion years, the first galaxies took shape. Over time, these galaxies merged and evolved, forming the vast cosmic web we see today. Much later, around 9 billion years after the Big Bang, our Sun and the Solar System formed. Earth emerged, life evolved, and eventually humans appeared. In the grand scale of cosmic time, humans arrived only in the last moments of the universe. If the history of the universe were compressed into a single calendar year, humans would appear in the last second of December 31st. Could the universe have been younger or older than 13.8 billion years? Observations say no. If the universe were younger, galaxies wouldn't have enough time to grow into the massive structures we observe. Heavy elements necessary for planets and life wouldn't exist in high enough quantities. If the universe were older, the cosmic microwave background would look dramatically different. Its temperature variations, its structure, everything would change. Our measurements match only one possible age, 13.8 billion years. But even with this knowledge, profound mysteries remain. Did time exist before the Big Bang? What exactly is dark energy, and why does it accelerate the universe? How did quantum processes shape the universe in its first instant? And is our universe just one of many? These questions remind us that knowing the universe's age is not the end of the story. It is only the beginning. It is the starting point for understanding everything that has ever happened and everything that ever will. When we look at the night sky, every star, every galaxy, every faint glow of light is a fragment of this 13.8 billion year journey. And knowing its age helps us understand our place within it, a tiny moment in an immense and ancient cosmos. In the next video, we'll explore the future of the universe. How will it end? Is the final fate already determined? Or is the universe headed toward an uncertain destiny shaped by dark energy? Stay tuned, and let's continue uncovering the mysteries of the cosmos together.